Hey guys, welcome to my tech review channel HLG. Today I have another gadget for unboxing and review. Abody Tens Machine Unit. The unit is used for muscle stimulation, relaxation, pain relief, and lots of other usage, which you can find in the booklet provided or Google it. I use this TENS machine for muscle pain relief and stimulation. So I'll be focusing more on these points. Basically, this unit delivers small electrical impulses to the affected area of your body, which you feel as a tingling sensation. The electrical impulses can reduce the pain signals going to the spinal cord and brain, which may help relieve pain and relax muscles. They may also stimulate the production of endorphins, which are the body's natural painkillers. Well, that was all about a TED's machine introduction. Let's start from unboxing. I bought this unit from eBay UK on a very good price. I hope you get the same. The box looks very good and well packed. It came with a thank you card and 20% off for all Abody products if you registered with them. This is the main unit, which is TENS machine. This looks like a touch mobile. After charging this device, we will discuss later. A very detailed instruction manual in English, a big adhesive pad, a pouch to keep the TENS machine unit. There are 6 pairs of adhesive pads in total. 3 pair of wires to connect the pads with the TENS machine unit. 1 charging cable with USB to micro USB connectors. Small adhesive pads, medium size, they all in total 6 pairs. 2 plastic holders, one for to hang TENS machine in belt or somewhere else, and the second one for adhesive pads. After usage, you can keep your adhesive pads securely here. This booklet came with 3 figures which explaining in detail the points where you can use these TENS machine. In the end, this packet contains silica, which keeping this whole package nice and dry. Well, package contained loads of items, which was more than I expected. The main unit looked like a touchscreen mobile. Right side there is a power button and a up and down button. At the bottom there is a charging port which has micro USB connection. You can charge this unit with charging wire. They don't provide the charger because the price of this unit was exceptional. The left side another up and down button. The upper side has 2 holes which you can use for 2 channels, 2 wires at the same time. The back side shows the model number, input voltage 3.7, which most of mobile chargers supports. After charging a few hours, this unit is highly recommended. I powered it on. This is the main screen showing the 20 minutes countdown time. 20 minutes recommended max time for this unit for usage. After 20 minutes, it will stop automatically. This is battery sign for the charge. Left side shows the intensity you want use and can control with these left. Upper left hole is for A channel. This is right channel intensity, which you can control with right side buttons. And the upper right hole is for channel B. This big button is to lock and unlock the unit. You can see the key sign appears on the screen by pressing this button. Now you can not change functionality while this device is locked. You will have to unlock to use any functionality. I powered it off to use this unit. There are 6 pairs of these adhesive pads or electrodes. I will use these medium pads first in a simple way. You can see sticky gel is already on the adhesive pads. I will stick one electrode on my forearm one side and the second pad on the other side of forearm. Now it's time to attach these electrodes with the wire and the other side of wire connecting to the TENS machine unit, channel A. Then I press the power button. You can see by default first function activate, which max 20 minutes time. This left side shows the intensity level. It's at level 1, which I can control from left side buttons. The first level is a very low sensation of feeling, so I increase the intensity level to level 4. Now I can feel the pulse transmitting to my forearm muscle, but I need bit more intensity, so I increased it to level 6. If you see closely where I attached the electrodes, my forearm muscle stretched and released. Basically, this TENS machine function slowly increasing the pulse to bring my muscle at a stretch point and then release it quickly. This function is repeating again and again, which bringing my muscle into movement without my actions. This therapy giving me a feel of massage. While this therapy, I can lock the screen so accidentally I don't change the function or intensity. There are 6 different functions where the pulse goes to muscle in different patterns where you switch to different function. The pulse intensity level goes back to level 1, which you can adjust accordingly. Function 3 has a different pattern of pulse reaching my muscle. You can try all 6 functions, which suits you, you can choose for you. After usage, you can store the electrodes on this plastic holder for next usage. You don't need to apply extra gel for next few usage. This booklet shows exact points where you can use these test machine. There are 3 figures of human body with points explaining which point belongs to which muscle. This TENS machine is rechargeable. I don't need to worry about batteries and provided with extra adhesive pads. A very budget friendly TENS machine with lots of features. I would highly recommend to you. Thank you watching for this video. Please subscribe this channel so I bring more useful reviews to you guys. Bye for now.